What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Christian's Kitchen. I'm super stoked for today's episode because we're here in the Great Pacific Northwest and we're doing things a little bit different today. We're gonna actually be fishing for our meal and we're gonna see what we can catch. So follow me and let's go. Alrighty guys, we're back here in the kitchen. We did catch some trout today. It's time to pan sear them up, serve them with some good side dishes, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So let me show you how. Grab a shallow pot and fill it with some water and a pinch of salt. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil. Now let's get our delicious, beautiful tomato cream sauce going. Grab a saute pan and drizzle in some olive oil. Toss in the container of cherry tomatoes and get them going. Season with salt and pepper and simmer away for about 10 minutes. Add the potatoes to your boiling water and cook until fork tender. Moving on to the brussies. Cut the ends off, chop them in half, drizzle in some olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then chop up some fresh garlic and add that as well. Throw them in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to blend up our cherry tomatoes in a food processor with some sugar and sherry vinegar. Strain your mixture back into a pan over low heat. Add in your butter, cream, and season to taste. Next, we're going to chop up some fresh basil and throw that in as well. We now have sauce. Take those Brussels sprouts out and push them aside to make some room for our cherry tomatoes. We're going to season them with salt and pepper and throw the tray back into the oven for an additional 5 minutes. At this point, our potatoes should be done. Strain them from the water and add them back into a piping hot skillet with some butter and oil. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and finish with some freshly chopped chives. Let's season our fish with some salt and pepper and throw that down on a skillet over a medium-high heat. We'll be cooking our trout for about 3 minutes per side. Time to plate up. Start with a generous portion of those potatoes. Pile on some Brussels sprouts. Carefully place your fish over top and the tomatoes. Don't be afraid to get fancy with it. Finish with a drizzle of that amazing sauce, and that is it, you guys. I had so much fun making this episode for you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please like, comment, and share, and we'll catch you next time on Christian's Kitchen.